Hi friends, welcome to Studies with Joy. So our today's topic is ninth standard 2 English 2.2, a true story of sea turtles part 2. We have started with this chapter in last lecture. So those who have not seen that lecture and our first video of my channel, so you can get the last lecture part 1 of this chapter in my channel. So just go through it. Before starting, please like and subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon button so that you get the first notification when we upload a video, and also share the video with your friends. So let's start. We have seen many things that the author narrates himself in the story, and this is an experience of the author, and he is telling us. And they knew the author and his team got to know about the bad work or the cruel work done against the turtles, and they decided to start a campaign to protect the turtles. They started it at Velas in the Ratnagiri district, and they started protecting, and they many protected many of them. And also we saw the importance of turtles in the marine ecology. Now let's go further. After the success at Wales, we started implementing the project in other places too. Within 5 years, the entire coastline of Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found. So after their success at Wales, they had started first campaign. They started implementing the project in all the parts of the and other places of the villages of the Maharashtra, and within 5 years the entire coastline of the Maharashtra was surveyed. Protection was offered in 80 of the villages where turtle nests were found by them. Our strategy was to engage those who had so far been involved in stealing the eggs, then to train and involve them in the work of protection. So their strategy was that they have to engage those people who have been involved in the stealing of the eggs and train them and engage them in the work of protection of the eggs. As they know how to steal the eggs, they were knowing many knowledge about them, so they can protect it more cautiously. So that was their strategy. That is a very nice strategy. They are using them, and they are making them realize what is the importance of them. We started the Turtle Friend Awards, Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was prepared to spread the message. So they started the Turtle Friend Award, an award, Kasav Mitra, to encourage more people to be a part of the protection campaign, so that more and more people come and be a part of the protection campaign. A comprehensive booklet and a short film on the protection of turtles was also prepared, so that many the message is spread all over the India, all over the country. The year 2006 was the beginning of a novel concept, Turtle Festival or Kasa Mahotsav, an opportunity for the tourists to witness the unique spectacle of the hatchlings rushing out to the sea. So, in the year 2006, they started a new festival, Turtle Festival or Kasa Mahotsav. Was an opportunity for the tourists to see how the turtles come out from their turtle hatchlings come out from the eggs and rush to the sea. It was a very nice, beautiful scene. It is very beautiful, and there were some additional features also, like a short film on turtles and the natural beauty of Konkan were additional features of the festival. So the natural beauty of the Konkan is very beautiful. If you have gone there, you should see that it is very beautiful. And a short film was also there on turtles protection. At the same time, we were quite firm on one issue: the hatchling should not come to even the slightest harm due to tourist activity. So they would have to be more and more cautious and more careful, so that the hatchlings would not be caused or harmed due to the tourist activities. The tourists were accommodated in the homes of the villagers. The response to this whole concept of homestay was excellent. So the tourists were there were no hotels in the villages, so the villagers started homestay. So they started homestay. So this that what home happens in homestay, the tourists will be living in the homes of the villagers, and the villagers will be given some rent by the tourists. So that is homestay, and many of the villagers gave a very nice response to the concept of homestay. uh, a Turtle Friends Club was established in each village, the members being all the villagers offering homestay. So there was a Turtle Friends Club was established, and all the villagers who are offered homestay were a member of them. Of it, all villages would now offer the same rate for homestay. They gave 10% of their income from homestay for the Turtle Protection Fund. So they all the villagers now would all the villagers started the same rate for homestay, which would be very nice for the tourists to go anywhere, and they gave 10% of their income for the turtle protection fund. The fund would be utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of turtles. Modern technology also helped. The festival reached all corners of the world through the medium of the internet and our website. So the fund was mainly utilized for the purpose of protection and conservation of the turtles, and modern technology also helped. How it helped? Through the medium of internet and website, they spreaded the message and the festivals advertisements to all over the world. People around the world began to contact the small villages of Konkan. More and more villagers came forward to do this work, and the number of homestay families went up to 35. So, more and more villagers came forward for the homestay concept or homestay deal, and it went families of homestay went up to 35. As many as 800 people began to visit Velas in the turtle season. So in the festival, 800 people started began to visit Velas. This meant more business for the villagers. Now they realize that tourism can be a source of income. Tourists bring in money in order to earn that money. It was important to protect the turtle hatchlings. This was conservation of nature through livelihood in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story. So the two villagers realized that for to get this income they have to protect the turtle hatchlings, so then only the tourists will come and they will get a source of income, and they realized that tourism can be a source of income for them. And this was in a true sense, it was conservation of nature through livelihood, so they are also getting their income, their livelihood, and that conservation of its nature is also happening in its true sense. Velas became the project's main success story. So Velas was the project's main success. Sayadri Nisarga Mitra, our organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species. So, the author and his team, these volunteers, were from the organization Sayadri Nisarga Mitra. So they believe that the local villagers are the only that who can protect the and conserve the local species. If they are given the freedom to do that, the conservation projects become sustainable. So if they are given the permission to do that and given the homestay like that offers, so they will obviously protect it at any cost. With this belief, we entrusted the project to the forest department, the gram panchayat, the villagers, and the turtle friends club. So with this belief, they gave that responsibility, their project, to the forest department, the gram panchayat, and also the villagers and their turtle friends club. All of them are handling it wonderfully. Now we are happy to see the project running smoothly and offer help only when necessary. So now they are happy to see that everyone is doing their work properly and the project is going smoothly, running smoothly, and offer help only when necessary. So this was written by Bhau Kadare. It's the Sayadri Nisarga Mitra. This is an organization of which an member has written is the author of this story. Now let's go to the questions. There are the factual questions and their answers that are given in. The first one was is why was it important, necessary to undertake a turtle protection on a large scale? So answer will be after their birth, the hatchlings had to face innumerable dangers in the deep sea all of their own. Their survival rate was therefore as low as just 1 or 2 turtles out of 1,000. Also, turtles perform an important function to they keep the sea clean. Thus, they occupy an important place in marine ecology. Considering all these factors, it was vital to undertake the protection on a large scale. Okay, this was the answer for this question, and let's go further. Why were actually this story is telling us that turtles are also an important source of the cleaning the or becoming cleanliness of the sea, which is very important. So let's go further. Why were those who had stolen the eggs earlier involved in the work of protection? Give at least two reasons. So why were the people asked to look for the eggs on us in the morning? And that question is related to this. So they were to why they were told because they know how the stealers or the thieves to steal the eggs as they have done it earlier, and also they can protect in that way and they can think and protect them in that way, and that's why these were the two reasons they were given the responsibility of protection. Next, what do the homestay families do? The homestay families would offer a room or a place for the tourists to stay, and in for offering that they would get rent for it, and even they would give their 10% of their income to the turtle protection fund. Then comes next question. Why was the project entrusted to the local people? The project was entrusted to the local people because the Sayadri Nisarg Mitra, their organization, believed that it is only the local villagers who can ultimately offer excellent protection to the local species, and if they are given the freedom. So these were the answers for this chapter's questions, and the English workshop questions of this chapter are not important because they are different and activity based questions. So I am ending this lecture here only. Please like and subscribe my channel, and so also share the video with your friends.